Is it recording?
Go check it out. Let's do it.
What up, guys? It's your boy Rish. We're recording off my iPhone 11 right now because I have a shoot later and I need to charge up my camera. Save it for that and whatnot. Back, gonna do some things on the TSX. Got just the mounts left that are on, I believe. Maybe like a sensor thing in the back that I was trying to get off, then almost like sliced off my finger.
That's why it's important to wear gloves, guys.
Yeah, some got gloves. My dad's up there taking off front sway bar. I'm gonna try to take this off, and then we're gonna strap up the engine, and I'm gonna really just take off all the mounts. Two training mounts right here. Take this off. Take the side bracket one off there. The one on that side, and then the front one. And I think that's it, because I think it was 3 motor mounts and 3 trainee or something. Got the Smith Lawson over there. Alright, guys. Just double checking if everything's, you know, sensors are unplugged. So I had like some other sensor over there that I need to unplug. That was this. Got some oil on it, so it's something. Honestly, I don't really know what it is. It's above the oil filter, and we're just gonna strap up the engine and whatever, hold it up, then really just take off the mounts, just to be more safe than sorry. Cause yeah. Breaking it loose a little bit. Yeah, no. I'm just clocking myself in the mouth. That was fun.
I almost fucked up my finger. I don't know why you don't have your gloves on.
Well done. Easy. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby, yeah. So what I think I'm gonna do, take this one out. Maybe I'll be able to slide this mount out if I even have to, which I probably don't right now. And we're gonna be able to like strap it to right there so we can hold it up. Strap right there. Like, somewhere else on that side, I'm not too sure just yet. Yeah, I'm just trying to get this fucking thing out. And money talks, whoever wants this shit, pick it up and whatnot. Yeah, guys. Oh, little update. I just bought a whole new camera setup. I spent my bread. Spent like $3 grand on a whole new setup. Yeah, instead of like buying a car right now, I said fuck it, and I upgraded for more quality and just investment for us, the brand, YouTube, all that shit. Yeah, I'm gonna make my money back throughout, you know, photo shoots and doing shit. It's gonna come back regardless. I still got money saved. But if I want to buy a car, I'm gonna end up buying it probably after winter-wise. Season's already kind of coming to an end soon. It's not going to like H2OI or anything like that. If we wait until next year, I'm gonna pop out with something fresh. It is what it is, guys. I'm trying out a new hairstyle, you know.
Looking like a poppy.
Yeah, you're gonna call me Poppy Rish now.
I already did so. Poppy Rish.
I've been over here twisting. I wish I had some power tools. I mean, my dad got some. I'm just kind of lazy to grab them, and they're kind of bulky. So it probably wouldn't even fit here. Fucking pull it out. You just keep spinning. That's what someone in the comments gonna say. Speaking of that, once you guys like the video, once you comment, subscribe while you're at it, man. Trying to get monetized, so. Sucking up shit up, ceaseless. I'm sucking whenever I can, you know. Pull it down.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. So yeah, I'm just trying to suck this shit out, so be as less fluid as possible. Don't cut yourself like I did. You can see there, it almost like sliced right here and like right here and just got skin. But yeah, I almost took off like the tip of my finger. Would have been bad, and honestly it did not hurt at all. He just got right before like the cuticle and shit of my nail and took off some meat. But, and the corner. Anal inspection.
I'm telling.